Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you have just installed Notion on your Mac and have no idea where to start, don't worry. In this video, I will show you everything you need to know from creating your first workspace to making notes, to-do lists and pages. By the end of this video, you will be able to use Notion confidently on your Mac. Let's get started. First, let's know how to install it. Open Safari browser and search for Notion download app for Mac. Now you can see here. Now click on download. Click on allow. As you can see, the Notion app is started downloading. Now wait for the download process to be complete. It is DMG file. We have to extract this file first. After the download is finished, it is downloaded. Now let's extract this. Double click on it. Now just simply drag this Notion into application folder like this and wait for a second. As you can see, it is installed successfully. You can see here Notion. Click on this app to open. Now enter your email ID here. Enter your email ID. Then click on next. Now enter your password of Gmail ID as well. Then click on next. Click on open. As you can see, your app is opening. Our Notion app is successfully signed in. Just select it. How do you want to use Notion first? For work, for personal life, for school, just select it. Let's suppose I have chosen for work. Then click on continue. If you want to fill this area, who else in your team, just fill it and then click on continue. As you can see, I am using currently free version. That's it. Now you will see your workspace dashboard. This is where all your notes, pages and projects will be stored. Now first give it a name. You can see here the icon. Click on it. Now give it a name. Let's suppose I have given my name here. Then click on done. Now yes, you can see here at the left top side sidebar, click on it. As you can see, to create a new page, first click on the sidebar. Now you can see here the new page, add new button. Click on it. Empty page. As you can see here, my new page is open now. Below the title, simply start typing. You can see here, hey, let's give it a title, new page. That's it. From here you can start writing. This is the way to create your first page. And if you want to add different types of content, one of the best features of Notion is blocks. Type a slash. As you can see, when I enter the dash, you can see command menu is open. From here you can see heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, bulleted list, numbered list, to-do list, toggle list, page, callout, code, table, link to page, image, video, audio, code, file, web bookmarks, table view, board view, gallery view, and many more functions and features. Simply choose the block you want to continue editing. Let's suppose I want heading 3. Now sub page, then press enter, and now this is my new sub page. You can start writing. Okay, this is very easy. Now to create a to-do list, let's create a task list. Again click on slash. Now scroll down, you can see here to-do list. Just select it. Now let's suppose I have to go gym. This is my first to-do list. And second, I have a meeting with my boss. This is the second to-do list. Now let's suppose I have just completed my first gym. Now just take this and that's it. And when you have completed another task, just take this as well, and that's it. This makes Notion perfect for managing your daily work or study schedule. Now let's organize your workspace. As you create more pages, organization becomes important. You can drag and drop pages into other pages to create folders and keep everything neatly organized. Okay, for example, what you have to do, just drag the page to one page. That's it. Under your notes, you can see here it is added new page. That's it. You can see here on my notes section it is added. For example, you can create different categories for everything, like for work different category, for personal use, for college use, projects, for business purposes. This keeps your workspace clean and easy to navigate. Now let's add image and file. How to do it? Let's know. Just simply click on slash. Now scroll down. You can see here image and videos. Just click on image. You can upload it from your Mac as well. Just click on upload file. Take any picture from your Mac and click on open. As you can see, it is added on the Notion. You can see this is useful for storing screenshots, PDFs, documents and other important files. You can add PDF as well. Again, give splash, scroll down. You can see your files. Click on files, click on choose a file, then select any PDF and click on open. As you can see, my PDF is adding on the notes section. It is added. Now if you want to search your notes, if your workspace becomes vast, use the search feature at the top left. You can see here search bar. Now from here search for your notes. Let's suppose I have new page. As you can see here, new page. From here just search it and open it. And that's how you use Notion on your Mac. As you can see, Notion is much more than a simple note-taking app. You can manage tasks, organize projects, create databases and keep everything in one place. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more Mac tutorials. Thank you for watching.